Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifqi Azamta. I'm from 7.3. Now I want to read about transcript ECI. I'd like to turn now to the object which is the main point of this talk, the helix. This is a fascinating mathematical object which touches many of parts of our life, movement, and other words, the manufacturer words and our genetic makes up are all connected to shape and the helix. A helix is a type of three-dimensional curve that goes central cylindrical shape in the form of spiral, like a corkscrew or a spin staircase. The helix is shaped in nature because it's very complex. In fact, helix are sometimes referred to as nature space saver. In architecture, too, the helix shape is a spiral staircase is a attractive option in building where space is very restricted. Most known types of helix is probably the double helix of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made of two helices that curve around each other and bit like twist leather. DNA contains a genetic inform or coder that determines the development and functionality of all knowing living things. The helix shape is a very efficient way to store a long molecule like DNA in a limited space of cell. There are different types of helix shape. There are different types of helices. Helices can twist clockwise, right-handed, or anti-clockwise, left-handed. An interesting experience is to hold a clockwise helix such as a corkscrew or a mirror. The clockwise helix appears to become counterclockwise. We can prove an example of helix in many areas of our world. Spiral staircase, cable, screw, and rope can be right-handed or left-handed helix. And helix that goes around a cone is called conical helix. Examples of conical helix are screw or famous spiral ramps designed by architect Franklin Lloyd White and the Goodman Museum in New York. Heritage are also prevalent in our heritage are prevalent in other words. The horn of certain animal fuses seals, hairs, and the structure of plant, flower, and leaf can all contain helix. The human umbilical cord is in fact a triple helix, with the discovery that the helix is shaped of DNA molecule is surprising that the helix is found is in so many areas. It is one of the most natural shapes in the nature. Let's turn our attention now to the mathematical description of the helix. You will need a pen and paper next part of the talk, as I'm going to give you some fibers to write down. Takes your time to notice the difference. That's all for my reading ECI. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.